Hi everyone, so we are going to turn this empty container into this beautiful home decor. But before that, please welcome to Gigi's creation. So let's start by cutting the top part of this empty container. As you can see, just struggle for me to take it off. As you know, my knife is not very sharp and I haven't even really have a chance to go one by one. So after remove all the top part of this container, I'm trying to paint it into white color. As you know guys, I like white color. It's always been so nice to have a nice white color to put into your home decor, because you can put any color to accessorize it. So I'm putting at least 2 coats of this paint guys, but I'll just show you first coat and then I let it dry and I just do it again. So yeah, and I don't have 3 of the same container, so I just use another empty container to make it 3, because I like to make my home decor, it's always set of 3. And after it dried out, I'm putting this little pearl on the edge of this where I cut it, because as like what I said, it's not very smooth, the edge. And also I like to make it as looks like very expensive one or high-end kind of look, so I'm aiming for that. That's the reason why I'm putting the little pearl. And now I found this flower, faux flower somewhere in the house, because I got lots of stuff everywhere. And when I'm trying to tidy up the house, I found all this pearl and little flower from my very old project before. And now since I'm doing this and I have my own channel now, I'm trying to reuse all of my stuff. And as you can see guys, I'm trying to experiment how I'm going to decorate my container. As you can see, I want to put 3 flowers on one container, but it's not big enough. So I think I just leave it into 1 flower. And I don't know, maybe I just put uh, another pearl on each side to balance it. You know, in DIYs, there's no restriction. It's free to do whatever. You know, it's an experiment. I mean, for me, I like to experiment, you know, guys, because again, these are all rubbish and I just like to turn them into a nice home decor. Okay, so I've done the first one and now I'm going to do the other one. I will do the same. I just do the front part, and you can do both at back to back, but I just to keep it on the front side. As you can see, and for me it's a struggle to put this little pearl, because it's really very little. I mean, very thin and small, and it's very hard for me to see it because, as you know, I have 4 eyes. So it's a bit slow for me to stick this little thing pearl on this container. But anyway, like what I always say, I just try to experiment how I stick this little pearl and how I decorate this container. You see, it's almost done guys. And since the other bottle is not too big or tall. I cannot put this decoration, so I just put some pearl around uh, the top and the bottom. Oh yeah, just the top part of that container. So I just put also the top part, both of this container, to make it all even. Okay, as you can see, I'm sorry guys, because I cannot focus it that to the camera. I didn't know. Anyway, I'm sorry, but it's almost done. There you go, as you can see. Now, this is the outcome, guys. You can just leave it as it is, as a decoration, or you can put it as a flower vase or organizer. But anyway, that's the wrap up of our project. And once again, thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.